Hey guys, what is up everybody? I'm Seshil and you're watching the channel Tackle Cravings. So today I'm going to be doing a easy recipe and it is loved by everyone. Everyone loves Oreos, so that we can make a cake out of it, which is absolutely delicious. So if you want to try this, make sure you watch this video till the end, and without any further ado, we'll just get right into it. So the first ingredient you'll be needing, of course, Oreos. So here I have 2 packets, and here I have a blender. You can use any sort to just grind them. So here I have my Oreos. I'm gonna separate the cream and the biscuits. So the biscuits will go into the blender and the cream will go into a separate bowl, which will be used for later. So once you have it, now save the cream for later, and now add a tablespoon of granulated sugar. Now blend them into coarse powder. You can also use Ziploc bag and then you can just mash it on them. Now take a bowl and add the crushed Oreos. Now add a teaspoon of baking powder. Now don't add extra salt because the Oreo cookie itself is salty enough, so do not add extra salt. And now give them a whisk so that it blends well. Now gradually add 3/4 cup of milk. Now set aside for some time. And now here I have the Oreo cream and 1/4 cup of milk. Now add the cream about 2 tablespoons to the milk. Now microwave them about for 20 to 25 seconds. As if you see the oil may form at the top, then it's good to go. And if it's hot, please don't use hot directly to it. Make sure it cools down a bit. And now by adding it little by little and keep on stirring it while you're adding. Now the batter is ready. Now we will pour it onto a cake pan. Here I have 6-inch cake pan, and I have applied oil, and then I placed my parchment paper, and use flavorless oil while you're applying it. Now gently pour it onto the cake pan. Now bake this at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. And please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Now we will make chocolate Oreo ganache. So here I have the rest of the Oreo cream, and I will be adding 1/2 cup of whipping cream to this. Here I am using Amul whipping cream. If you don't have hands on these, you can also use the fresh cream which comes in the blue packet. And I have microwaved this for about 20 to 30 seconds, and I'm gonna add a little bit extra because it should be little hot to add the dark chocolate. Here I have 1/4 cup of dark chocolate, and give that a stir until it gives a very smooth chocolatey texture. Now that our chocolate ganache is ready, make sure it cools down a bit before applying it to the cake. And now that my cake is ready, I'll pull out the paper behind, and now we're all good to go. You can even scrape out the top if you want. Now here I have roti grill. I know it's funny that I'm using this, but it actually works. I actually pour this ganache above it so that I can easily carry them. Now gently pour the ganache onto the cake. Look how beautiful it is. I know it's very satisfying. Now place a plate below for the extra chocolate to cover up, and cover all the sides by adding more ganache to it. Now you could also use the wire rack if you want. It's not a big deal, but I prefer using this, so you can also try if you want. And now here I'm using offset spatula, or it's called palette knife. Now this will help me to bring it to a surface. I'm using the knife also to support to bring this cake to my work area. Now I have moved the cake successfully to the place, and now we can decorate them. Here I have chocolate sprinkles just to give an outline. You can give any design. You can add chocolate chips, you can add chocolate shavings if you want, you can add a lot of things. And I'm just gonna use this chocolate sprinkles, and I'm just gonna give a circle. That's it. Now here I have Oreos. I have chopped them into half, and I'm just gonna add it like into 4 borders. You can add how much ever you want again. You can make this cake at any time you want. It's so easy to make with simple ingredients, and it's also eggless, so it's even better. So if you enjoy watching this video, please make sure to give a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also do comment below what you want me to prepare next few videos, and also subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new videos. Hope you enjoy watching this. Please make sure you're actually giving this recipe a try. Until then, ciao!